Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to send big videos on Gmail. You have perfected all of you and saved your new video creation and you're ready to send the video via email, but it says sorry, file size too large to attach to email. All video creators know this dreadful pop-up. It can be frustrating, I know, but we've got all the right tips and tricks to help you to send large videos via email. Let's get started. First, you need to select the video that you want to share on your Gmail. Go on, for example, on your gallery and select the video. Go on the share option and find Gmail. Now you can see that pop-ups again, that dreadful gamer, and it doesn't allow you to send this video because it's too large. Now what you can do is to go back on the gallery, select the video again, go to share option again and go to drive. Now you have the option to save. I have saved it before and I will go. Now when you have saved the video, go on the three bottoms and go copy link, then go back on your email and for example send to this person and paste it in. Go send, wait some time, go again on your Gmail to see it is send it, go here, go send, and as you can see now we have sent it. If you go here, go drive, the video will be open without problem.